Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I just wanted to talk to you about my COVID experience. I was well, I was working, I was following all the guidelines. I was even able to work out at home with my trainer, and I was doing everything, the usual normal stuff. I don't know from where I contracted it. So my symptoms where I was feeling some uneasiness in breathing, I was feeling cold at night, and I was also having body pain. So I did consult my doctor. So I went for a checkup, and they checked, and my pulse, my temperature, my BP, everything were normal. So they gave me some tablets like azithromycin, and they said like if the symptoms continue for 2 more days I should take the COVID test. So we came, and within the 2 days I had redness in my eyes, and my body pain has increased like 10 times more. It was very bad, and I had diarrhea. So that's when I again called my doctor and said that I have other symptoms as well, and they immediately told me to take the test. And I took the test the very same day, and I got the result positive the next day. And I also want to mention that I had a bitter taste in my mouth, and in the last 2 days I lost the sense of smell. So yeah, I got the test as positive. So I was suggested that I should visit a COVID hospital and check with the doctor whether to get admitted or I can take like a home quarantine. So I checked with the hospital, and I was given the home quarantine as I did not have fever and cold. The corporation officials had called me, and they asked about my address, and they asked like if I need any medical help and if I'm getting admitted in any hospital, everything. And they were really very helpful. I was even worried like whether how they will talk to us and all those things, but they were really very helpful. The very same day I had people come to my house and sanitize my home, and they gave us some yellow garbage covers in which we should henceforth put all the garbage, and they said they will take and burn them again. And also they suggested a few volunteers for us who would buy some groceries, medicines, vegetables for us. They were really helpful from the government side. I'm still in quarantine, and I get 2 calls every day from the Chennai City Corporation, and they ask like about my symptoms, how was my day, and if I need any medical help, and are the volunteers helping me, or the sanitizing people coming daily, all those things. Chennai City Corporation rocks. Okay, so they were really helpful to us. And so meanwhile I was also contacting the hospital, and there were 2 nurses who were talking to me. So they used to take my vitals, like BP, pulse, and temperature thrice a day. And they also talked to me about my diet, like what I should eat and not. And I was given 2 psychology consultations as well. Like I'm confined to this room, okay, and I cannot talk to anyone. I think even before 2 days I was not able to talk itself. So it was really bad. So I have not yet got my sense of smell till now, but I'm recovering well. I'm far better than I was 10 days before. So if you have any symptoms, or if you feel that you're not able to breathe properly, or if you have fever, cold, please don't self-medicate yourself. Please visit a doctor and take the COVID test if the doctor recommends you. Because only when you consult a doctor, they give you a combination of tablets which really helps in the recovery soon. And I was also given vitamin C, zinc tablets. So these are the tablets even a normal person can take, they said. So take your supplements. And also I want to say that you might have the immunity to to handle the virus, but not many people will have the same immunity. So please don't spread the virus. Please quarantine yourself, stay at home, take rest. You have to take a lot of rest. You have to drink a lot of hot water, because that's the only thing that helps in the recovery. So please do all the things, and please contact the corporation officials if you want any help. They're really very helpful. I just want to tell this again and again, because they are there to help. Government is there to help us. So please don't self-medicate yourself and spread the virus. So I hope this video helped you in some way or the other. And yeah, I just wanted to share this experience with you all, and I'm recovering well. Thank you for all the messages I got in my Instagram after seeing my post. I'm really very thankful to all of you who messaged me. And yeah, take care guys. Until next time, it's bye from me. Bye.